In this video, we will be doing algebra from geometry. As always, the algebra comes from the geometry of the problem. So first, triangle MBC is isosceles with base MC. That, of course, means base MC. So MB there is congruent to CB there. And in V are midpoints. These two are midpoints. That means that like divisions of congruent segments are congruent. So all four of these are congruent. Next, MN is 6x plus 2. We'll put that on the diagram, 6x plus 2. BV is 8x minus 6, 8x minus 6. And then MC is 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2. Now, since like divisions of congruent segments are congruent, MN is congruent to BV. Therefore, 6x plus 2 equals 8x minus 6. Moving this over, we have 2x. Moving that over, we have 8. So x equals 4. Let's plug this back in red and make sure. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 2 is 26. 4 times 8 is 32, minus 6 is again 26. So we have our check there. Now plugging in down here, we have 4 times 3 is 12, minus 2 is 10. This is 10. These two are 26. So NB is 26, and VC is also 26. So then the perimeter will be 4 times 26 plus 10, which is 114. And we are done.